Hi, welcome to RSH Network. In this video, we will take you through how to use the platform and what is expected from you to successfully complete your learning journey. First things, how to get enrolled. To get enrolled, first you sign in the RSH Network website with your user account. If you don't have, you can simply continue with Google. Once you log in, you can simply go to your course, search for your course, Red Hat Linux Fundamental, and get enrolled from here. Once you enroll, you will see all the available lessons here. If you need mentoring, you can simply go to mentoring schedule and search for available slots and book it. At the available slot, trainer will be available to have the one-to-one session with you and clear your doubts. Learning is incomplete without practice, and we have taken care of that for you. There's no need to worry about the environment setup. We already have predefined cloud labs. Click on launch button and wait for 2 to 3 minutes to get it provisioned, and you will have the labs for practice. Once your lab provision, you can simply use sidebar instruction to follow the labs. To get the ID and password, username and password to login, simply click on reveal button and you will have the password here. Login in your user account, and that's how you can access the lab. Internet, disk, network, whatever you require to complete this course, all things has been taken care. Some of the practicals you might require another server. So we have here, we go to server 1 button, select server 2, and you can log in. You can log in here with the same way. If you need to extend the session, click on extend button and you can extend the session number of minutes you want. Follow the instructions to complete your lab. Go step by steps. See the commands in the side instructions bar and complete your practical. If you need any help during the lab, you can ask RSH Network AI. For example, how to format disk in Linux. So that's how it will give you the commands and instructions what to do next. In case if you have any deep questions, any specific question you need a supports with the trainer, you can simply book a session with the trainer. I will show you next how to book it. Once you are done with the lab, you can click on destroy button and your lab will disappear. If you need lab again, you can launch the lab again. If you have any further question where you need trainer's instructions or you need to connect with the trainer, you can go to your course, click on mentoring schedule, book the slots You will get an email with the meeting link and the scheduled time. Trainer will connect with you one to one to answer your questions and queries. Once you complete your lesson, pass the quiz, you will get your certification here. So that's it for this lesson. Simply enroll, learn, practice, and get certified with all RSH Network. Thank you.